Hello again, Lockpicking Paul here, and this is my entry into Humboldt Picker's 420 subscriber appreciation giveaway. And so thank you very much for the opportunity to participate in this. I'm a very new subscriber to your channel, having only just found you, but I am subscribed and I am going to make a video and pick some locks. Before I do that, I wanted to say, because I'm new and because I've got a full set of multi-picks, I'd like very much, if I were fortunate enough to win, to donate those to someone of your choice. So I'm here very much to support the giveaway participation more than I am for the prizes. With that said, I need to get rid of these handcuffs. I can't really pick anything in these. So let's get rid of these. We've got a tool I've made, a ring shim. And hopefully I'm going to get out of these, because otherwise I could be in them a while. So let's get into that. Okay, that's open. Good, I'm glad that worked. Oh, that's going to be a bit more tricky, that side. Tell you what, we'll straighten that out a little bit. Bit stiff, but we got there in the end. Right. Oh, that's a relief. Okay, let's pick a lock. So what this is a Mila 5-pin Euro style lock. It's huge, this thing, and it's full of spools. So we shall get this open. I like this because it is a fun. You've got to be ever so delicate with it, and I'm going to use my multi-pick 0.4s to get in here. See if we can get that in frame, because it's got some great false sets in this. Got a small false set already. Bigger false set. So we'll find a counter-rotating pin. Oh, what's that? Lots of spools. And we're open. There we go. Humboldt, congratulations on your giveaway. I hope you get loads of entries, and thank you very much for the opportunity to participate. Cheers.